Good morning. So yesterday Nifty closed at 5971, which is almost 27 points from the previous level. It translates into 0.5%. US market also was mixed, where S&P continued to scale higher to make new highs. The main reasoning behind all this positivity or optimism in the global market is not anything regarding to the fundamentals, but quantitative easing happening across the developed market. To just give some numbers regarding how quantitative easing is happening in Bank of Japan, I'll just pull out some numbers to you, and then you will understand how aggressive the quantitative easing happening across the globe. Just take few numbers from April monetary policy of Bank of Japan. They have decided to uh, buy bonds of 3.8 trillion per month, which to the latest figure of 7 trillions per month, which means earlier they were doing a 3.8 trillion bond buyback, and they have decided to do it to 7, so almost it's double, and which will take their balance sheet from 158 trillion, which is translated into 34% of its GDP, to 290 trillion, which will translate 64% of the GDP by 2014. So you can easily gauge that in next 2 years they would have been easily double their balance sheet. So what does it mean for the market, Japan market, and the across the globe market, and especially the emerging market like India? The money would, when the balance sheet of a particular country, or especially a country like Japan, is getting expanded or getting doubled in 2 years, the money would initially will be accumulated and spreaded in their own economy. Their currency will depreciate drastically in these 2 years. The companies there, export companies there, will certainly benefit out of it. But eventually, the money will start spilling over to the different countries. The money won't be there lying idle for 2 years. They will start trying to get an opportunities at some other markets. So maybe India will also get some portion of this quantitative easing happening across the globe. So we anticipate that because of this, all not basis of some fundamental reason, but just basis of some quantitative easing happening at some other country, India will tend to benefit, and because of which we feel that maybe we are also closing towards a new high. 6,000 will be a level to be watched for the Nifty, but once that gets bridged, and I anticipate to it get breaching today itself, and then we'll be certainly moving towards the level of 6,200. It's just a crazy tiger run, where it is not based driven by some fundamental, but some quantitative easing happening at some other country, developed country, and the money is been spilled over to different emerging countries. So that's all some part of the quantitative easing happening. Yes, to talk about some China numbers, China PMI came low, from it reduced from 54.3 to 51.1. So again, what I was saying, that fundamentally things are not improving. It's just the market is rallying based only because of some quantitative easing. So again, a poor fundamental parameter came low for China. Uh, Today we have some important interim results, Q4 results for some Indian companies, and for important results are GSK Pharma, we have Glenmark, we have Syntex, we have CEAT, we have, and the Shriram Transport we have. So overall, we think that the market will be trading sideways today, but the momentum will be positive. The near term momentum for the market will be certainly positive. So that's all for today. We'll update you about today's session tomorrow. Thank you.